Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by enabling built-in transparency, so Windows respects alpha values. Open Settings, go to Personalization, then Colors, and toggle Transparency Effects on. Once done, back up the registry key under H key current user /software /Microsoft /Windows /current version /themes. This lets you revert. If you prefer more control, download a trusted utility like Translucent TB. It provides immediate results without editing system keys. Make sure you have admin rights before continuing, because the next steps modify system values. You now perform the deeper tweak, so the taskbar becomes fully transparent instead of frosted. Run Regedit as administrator and open the themes key you exported. Create or set words such as enable blur behind to 0 to disable blur, and adjust use accent color on start to 0 so color tinting stops. Once done, export the modified branch as a reg file so you can reapply it after updates. You do this because Windows layers a blur and tint. Removing those flags yields clearer You finish by applying changes and verifying results. Restart Explorer via Task Manager or sign out and back in so the registry flags take effect. If the taskbar still shows opacity, rerun the reg file you saved, confirm transparency effects is enabled, or use the third-party tool you downloaded earlier. If something goes wrong, restore your exported registry backup and reboot. That reverses the edits. Make sure to test after each change so you know which step caused the effect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.